Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought,
why do I look tired and disappointed?
even when you're not?
With those wrinkles and sagging, most people think it's skin aging.
Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Customize your language here. But what if I told you one tiny muscle may be doing most of the work? What if something is simply pulling it down? Think about it.
If someone is standing on your foot, you don't need stronger legs. You need them to get off your foot.
Your face works the same way.
One small muscle called the Depressor Anguli Oris, or DAO.
Or, as I like to call it, the drama queen muscle. Because its entire job is to pull your mouth corners downward. And it doesn't work alone.
Its best friend, the platysma muscle in the neck, joins the party and starts pulling everything south. Deeper marionette lines, a heavier lower face.
The good news? You don't have to fight gravity.
First, we release the muscles that are pulling the mouth corners down. Then, we gently wake up the muscles that help support and lift your natural smile.
And here's something fascinating.
When gravity and muscle tension constantly pull the face downward, those muscles keep sending signals of stress, frustration, sadness, or even survival mode to the brain, even when that's not how you actually feel. That's because facial muscles are directly connected to the emotional centers of the brain.
So today, we are switching those muscles from survival mode back to smile mode. And it's not only your face that feels lifted. Your mood may lift too. As though a fog you've been carrying for years has finally cleared.
Stop whenever you need to.
If you join my newsletter today, you'll receive 3 exclusive bonuses, including the 6-month 10-year reversal holistic protocol video, where you'll discover the fastest path to rejuvenating your entire body at once. I'll be hosting live sessions regularly, so make sure your notifications are on and come join me. Let's get started. Here we go! So put your hand on here and shake. And bring your chin upward and stretch. Breathe deeply. Lift your chin away from the hand. Right here is where the platysma muscle begins. And this area is also home to a cluster of lymph nodes. So let's send some gentle stimulation here. Not a ringing phone call. Just a sweet little text message saying, "Hey, let's soften and relax," with a cute little smile emoji. Welcome to Amy's Unnecessary Grumpiness Elimination Project. Now the other side. Shake and stretch. Today's mission is simple. We're firing those overworked muscles that have been pulling your face down and waking up the ones that have been asleep for decades. Our goal? To create your very own resting glow face. Don't stop while ads are on. Bring your lower lips like this. Gently tuck your lower lip over your lower teeth. This little move wakes up muscles like the Depressor Anguli Oris, the ones that have been quietly shaping your expression all these years. Today, we're giving them a new job description. Let's get to work. Say "eh" while doing this. So grab this point firmly with your thumbs and index fingers and shake.
Now hook your thumbs firmly under the chin. Don't be shy. Really get in there. And support with your index fingers. As you are encouraging lymphatic flow, you're also whispering to these muscles. Come on, sweetheart. This way. Up here. There you go.
So bring your lips this side.
I'm asking you a simple favor. Don't just move your lips. I want you to imagine peeling every muscle in and around your mouth away from the jaw.
And now this side.
Yes, every single one. As if you're trying to relocate your lips to the opposite ear. I'm serious. It's time for a change of address.
Okay, next.
Follow me. We're doing this together. Don't stop while ads are on.
So pinch here and shake. Okay, so make a joint like this and lock it and place it just inside your jaw. And
You feel that weird, stuck feeling. That's what we are releasing. And honestly, as that goes, your double chin goes too. Crazy, right?
I used to think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much.
okay, now the other side.
I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside.
Okay, so find under your ear and the root of your jaw and put your fingers on here and massage.
Now gently stimulate the lymph in your neck and let everything start to flow. Slow it down and breathe.
I used to blame me for crying till I realized that I had needs you didn't meet. But that's all days now that we see.
Don't stop while ads are on.
Can we slow down, start over?
So, close your lips firmly.
This isn't just lip work. This is full body conviction. Every cell is screaming, and my lips are the only ones holding it in. No more wrinkles.
We will be fine, safe place, just you and I.
Okay, now. Relax. Okay, now look.
Fill your mouth with air. Create a little energy ball inside. Yes, a tiny spirit bomb. Now, as you move it, use that pressure to peel the stuck tissues away from the bone. Send it into the roots of the gums. Yeah, go little buddy. Get in there. Don't stop while ads are on.
So stick your chin like this and hook your fingers on here and up, down, up, down.
Keep those fingers there. They're acting like little anchors. Feel that? That little peeling sensation near the attachment to the bone. That's exactly what we are looking for. It can also help sharpen the area under the chin.
So put your fingers on here and relax your jaw.
Tighten under your eyes. Relax your forehead. Breathe out and release. Stretch from your under eye until your upper lip. Roll your lips inside your teeth. Lift up the corners of your mouth. Try connecting the end of your eyebrows and the corners of your mouth. Relax in between your eyebrows. It's like drawing a circle with your face. See the circle in the face? Good. Feel that.
Every cell of your face is radiating. You are the goddess of smile, so be happy. Not because someone says you look pretty, but because your joy is sacred. Make the best smile in the world. One that lifts your face and shifts the whole damn frequency of the planet. Never let anyone tell you you look old. That's a dead spell. Now we speak glow, power, and presence. We're not chasing youth. We are activating radiance. And our faces, they don't sag. They rise. Because they are the happiest faces in the world. You held on so well. Now let your face go. Release it. Don't stop while ads are on. And now, tap gently here. This may look simple, but it's actually a fantastic massage for the tiny capillaries in your skin. So keep it feather light. Well done! The facial muscle reshuffle is complete. Mission accomplished. Now, take a moment and notice how your face feels. Doesn't it feel like your whole face has become a little spirit of balm? A little ball of energy. A little ball of light. Starting to glow from the inside out. Notice your mouth corners. Notice your jaw. Notice the space you've created. Your face seems to like it here, doesn't it? Almost like it's saying, "Ah, yes, let's do more of this." And that, right there, is your resting glow face. Keep coming back, 'cause I'm thrilled to walk this journey with you. So go on, let your presence light up the room. Look at you! Sure, it's tighter and lifted! Great job! If you feel the difference, just tell me in the comments. I read every single one with love. Hit like and subscribe if you haven't yet. To smooth wrinkles all over your face, watch this video next. See you in my next video! また次の動画でお会いしましょう。